All right, testing. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Dfitzwm back here with another video. We're out at Danny and Jay's this evening. We got the Skyline out, we got the Mini out, we got the First Burst 8.6 inside, we got the Laurel outside, and we're getting ready to go see Aiden's car. If y'all remember his First Burst 8.6, they dumped it. He got HKS coilovers. It was not low at all, and then they dumped it some more. So we're going to check it out. Yeah, that's Final Bout. Which way? All right, so holy shit, Ryan got his AC fixed, and
that's apparently that's literally like half.
It blows at what, 40 degrees constant? You said
this is at idle, and since it's R134,
yeah.
At idle it's a little warmer, but this is still very cold. When you start driving, that's when it gets like crisp cold. Like I had to actually turn it up a little bit. The greatest modification I've ever done to a car. I'm a genius. I'm a fucking genius.
That thing's getting it next. Yeah, Jay at Renaissance Auto Care, I guess, has one good review, and I'll update y'all in about a week.
He's got 458 reviews, and they're all like 4 or 5 stars.
Let me find out. Ryan also brought the little block-off plate. Do you have it?
Wait, let me turn my AC down.
Oh, damn flex. Now Ryan brought this little...
So this is a idle air control valve block-off plate. The idle air control valves on RB cars.
Yeah.
Oh, brother. Oh, brother.
Ice.
Damn, bro. This feel like a damn 2022.
Dude, I'm not even driving. Like, it's colder when I'm driving.
Oh, I bet. Yeah. When it actually turns like goes.
Yeah. The idle air control valve is known. It's known to go bad, and a lot of people, instead of replacing it, I've tried to clean it. People try to clean it. Usually, sometimes that works.
Yeah, you just want to block the hole off, and your idle gonna be good.
It's a block-off plate.
What's the downside?
The one downside is in colder areas, and especially during the winter when it's cold. If you live in a colder area, I mean, it gets pretty cold around here. North Carolina, take a little longer to start.
All right, fuck it, that's not bad.
And then start.
Dude. You got a Laurel that starts like a Honda, we're good. I'm game. Almost spilled that everywhere. Let's go see Aiden's car. Yo, dude. All right, Aiden, is this about to be Final Bout for real?
Probably not though. This car sucks.
Dude, you love this and you literally got one. Yeah, but you liked it so much.
But like the alignment's all fucked up and it's making me mad. You'll see in a second. Watch.
All right. What'd you install today, dude? What are these?
HKS Hyper Max coilovers.
Okay. How would you review them so far?
They don't
terrible.
They're absolutely
terrible. You think?
They don't go low at all. They're like hella.
Are they track coils?
Track spec.
They're basically stock coilovers.
They're like.
Damn.
But I don't know if they ride good. I haven't fucking driven it yet, but probably.
Based on what I've heard y'all have done, I don't know if it'll ride good.
Yeah, I don't think it will.
No, it's gonna ride like shit, but I gotta dump it. So.
Dan, I have a couple questions. For you.
Yes, sir.
So, do you think the name of these coils were overhyped compared to what you get?
Hard yes.
What we got? Is this Final Bout?
Bruh.
You're tripping. Dude, are you kidding? Here's some clean Model T5s. Let me know if I should paint mine silver like this, because it would look a lot better.
I was about to say, it looks good.
That looks decent, dude.
Better tire spec, bro, it'll look really good.
Yeah, just get some fat, meaty tires. I know that's exactly what you want to do.
It looks good.
They definitely need a little bit more space in here.
No, look.
These are preload out, everything dropped. That's pretty good. That's really good, actually. So why?
All right, so look.
Fix that.
It's fully maxed all the way around.
Okay.
That's probably why I was.
I just tightened.
Aiden just dumps the jack. I don't think you tightened it, dude.
Yeah, that's probably why your camera's fucked up a little bit.
Maybe you should tighten it. Hold on.
What's the reading on this side? What's the
24 3/4
inches?
inches.
Got to clarify for the Australian
24 and 1/4. So a ½ inch higher on that side.
Dang, dude. It's perfect. All right, rear driver, what are we doing?
23 and 3/4.
Okay.
Oh, it's pretty even. 23 and 7/8. So it's about.
That's pretty the same.
It's pretty same.
Cold start. Aiden got the bridge.
Is it straight?
What? The wheels? Yeah, I don't know, dude.
Pretty good.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think that's pretty even, to be honest with you.
No.
Absolutely. Compared to before, right there. Bingo bongo. What do we got?
Maybe it has a little bit more.
That's what I'm saying.
This is good for now, bro. You can't really, like, get it perfect.
Full send it, dude. Go slide it. Does he need more low? I think he needs more low in the front. Ooh, that was a nice little shot, man. What do you think?
It's gas.
Oh yeah, ebisu?
Yeah. It drives kind of shitty, but it looks gas, so I'm lit. Look at that shit.
It's pretty good, dude. Looks really good. Oh! Alright, that looks a lot better rolling.
Good.
That looks so much better rolling, dude. He did almost hit the curb.
Yeah, damn.
Yo, whip some up for us, bro.
Oh yeah.
Feels even better.
Pretty gas.
Feels good to me.
Drift spec, just get some bigger tires.
Oh, dude, motherfucker, I just got my balls split open.
Dude, I just ate shit getting into your car.
Dude, lit right now, just got the coilovers put in. Oh shit. Lit right now, just got the coilovers put in. HKS shout me out. Is it on?
Yeah. How you feel?
Yo, what up YouTube? Feeling good right now. Just picked up my new Skyline. This shit gas as hell. You know I'm taking it to the pits. Shout out Ebisu for letting me hit up their course. You know the vibes.
No, here comes Fitz right now, you know. You bricked up?
I'm low-key fucking bricked up. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. I'm low-key half chub.
It's his car looks crazy right now. Get out of the way.
Shit. Get your ugly ass out the way.
How do you like BRZ life?
Dude, it's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice. In Gray's turbo when it was scary. This is like, I wish it had a turbo, but
Yeah.
What do you feel about it?
when I let off, it pulls to the right.
That's what I'm saying. But
it rides like my car, rides like Danny's car. Like it doesn't really.
Bet.
There's no rubbing, there's no.
No, dude, I can full lock. Like there was no issues. Tomorrow morning, the next video for you guys is gonna be Japanese car day at Cars and Coffee. God, dogging that thing.
That's how a car like this is meant to be driven.
I'm just scared about my tires, dude.
Scared about your tires?
Yeah, I don't like.
Deviating or something?
Yeah, I'm fucking paranoid as a bitch.
Yeah, I bet I would be too.
Dude, so I remember the moment I knew I wanted an R32, right? Like I drove Carmelo's car, and I knew, I was like, that's crazy, I need to get one of these. What was that moment for you with the Laurel?
I saw a Laurel first time in, I think it was like 2016, 2017. I was in high school, and one of the guys, I think he was from Cambergang in Florida, got a really cool like black one.
Okay.
Had an RB25 in it.
Hell yeah, damn. Little wheels, what was it?
It was 18s with, I believe, a Final Connection kit. It's the one that our friend Richie has with the white C33 on the Urus X soles.
Oh, it's like the fat kit.
Yeah,
like,
the big kit, the
it's
aggressive. I'd seen a Laurel before, but only more like stock ones, stockish looking ones in like 17s, like Yankees or something. And then for some reason, that right there, I was like, God damn. And then kind of thought about them. Never really thought of it
they're
as
really cool S13 chassis, like down that on, like 4-door, which is sick. Like a light, nimble 4-door. I don't know.
Yeah, I've always been into boxier cars, just like
you're right.
older cars and stuff like that. I had been looking at like GX71s, like Mark II Grandes, like not quite as boxy as the Laurel, but just all from like, I think it's like 70s, 80s Toyotas, Vespas and stuff. But then right around when I was going to sell the Mini, I really liked your car a lot, the RB.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
And then I was like, damn.
That's the same thing that got me, dude.
I can get a Laurel in a manual.
Oh my God.
With the RB in it.
Yeah, that's
insane. And I was like, holy shit. And then I started thinking a lot more about it.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, Jesus fucking Christ. This car has always been kind of in the back of my head.
Yeah.
I always brushed it off because I always thought it was kind of an unobtainable thing.
Right, dude?
That one night at your house when I coming down for the job interviews.
Oh yeah,
I was talking about wanting like a Skyline or something.
Yeah.
And then I talked about the Laurel, and you're like, dude, why don't you just sell the Mini and save up and buy a Laurel?
Dude, just
and I was
get rid of that fucking money pit.
I don't know, like hearing somebody that was my age that had a car that was similar to one that I would want.
Yeah.
I always thought was unobtainable. Hearing somebody just tell me like, hey dude, why don't you like just sell what you really don't want anymore and and save up and get something that you really always dream about.
Dude, that's just what was so apparent to me. Like, I could tell that you love cars, but that fucking...
It's just impossible. It was impossible to love cars.
Dude. It ruined it to have any ounce of fun anymore for you. Like, it just... Oh, my God.
Oh, yeah. I still love European cars so much, but it just every time I get that damn car, every single time I get in that laurel, I'm in the battle station.
Yeah,
like it is only me and nobody else.
I love it, dude.
It's so awesome.
I love it.
I will say if it was automatic and it didn't have an RB20 DEC,
Yeah.
it would probably be a very, very boring car. For me, I have to have the RB20 with turbo, factory turbo.
I agree.
And the manual. It's just like that's
plenty
the only.
quick, dude. Plenty quick.
Yeah, it's like
Fun.
the only way. It's the classic '90s like Japanese muscle.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I push it sometimes, and it's a fun motor, dude. It loves to rev the fuck out. RB got me as well, dude. Turbo flutter for me.
And also, like when we were drifting in the rain, like me and Kellen and all them.
Oh, dude, I was thinking about that today. I was jealous I would get to go. Oh, slang that bitch. Keep going. So you're how far in with the laurel right now?
Not very far at all, honestly.
Like time though. You've had it just over a year, right?
Yes. I've had it since July 25th.
Bruh. That just means you get to go again.
I've had it since July 25th of 2021. It's honestly giving me its fair share of little headaches.
Yeah.
It's not a perfect car, although it is, I guess it would be a clean example. It's not a perfect car. Unlike the Mini, it just like, no matter how big it is, it just feels a lot more fixy.
With the Nissan.
Yeah, with the Nissan.
Absolutely, dude.
I feel like, okay, I'll read up on this, I'll research this, and get a couple friends that know what they're doing to kind of make sure I don't mess anything up. And every single time I'm stressed and terrified, but then in the end I'm like, dang, now I know how to do that. The car turns on, and I go beat the fuck out of it. Beat the absolute
dog.
Just like absolute dog out of it, dude. Like, I beat the hell out of that car.
Yeah.
And it just loves it. That's why
It eats it up, dude.
It's like, give me more. That's what I was gonna say about drifting in the rain. I wasn't really able to like open it up at all.
Yeah.
And I could just feel that it was not happy.
You've learned a fuck ton of shit.
Literally like everything. Dude.
Oh my god.
So much more than with the Mini.
Went from being terrified to change an axle to we were like stuck at Preston's doing an axle or a wheel bearing or something.
Yeah, that was the hub bearing. The actual hub of the car. I forgot. The whole hub.
Oh, when the wheel fell off.
Yeah, the wheel fell off.
Fuck that car.